and in this video I am going to give one passage in order to make you practice in the previous topic, that is adjective. So that's why I have written here, practice makes a man perfect. That's true. So if you want to succeed in anything, or else if you want to perform well, practice is very important. So that's why we have to do this practice. So that's why here I have written, and I am going to give one passage. So here you say, circle the adjectives and underline the nouns from this passage. Now let us read and try to find out adjectives and even nouns. So Gates Avenue was a short street. So here street is a noun. And what kind of street it is? Short. It is a short street. Next one. But it seemed longer. It seemed longer. So again, longer is an adjective. It's an adjective. Because it was so ugly. Again here we have one more word which is an adjective, that is ugly. Because it was so ugly. The next one, most of the families who lived there had very little money. So again here, most of the families who lived there had very little money. Money is a noun and little is an adjective. Money is a noun and little is an adjective. Okay. And next one, their houses were not painted for many years. Again here we can find houses are noun and whose houses? Their houses. It's an adjective. Their houses were not painted for many years. So again here we can find years is a noun and many is an adjective. Years, for many years. How many years? Many. Many is an adjective. Next one, they did not have running water. Again here water is a noun. What kind of water? Running water. And running is an adjective. See here, it is a gerundial form of the verb. It can be used as an adjective and as a noun. Next one. All the students wore new clothes. Clothes again noun. And what kind of clothes? New clothes. Okay, I have told you, adjective will come either before the noun or after the linking verb. So that's why here we have noun and new is an adjective. But one girl wore dirty dress. Again here girl is a noun and how many girls? Only one. There will be one girl and that's why one is an adjective. Wore dirty dress. Again dress will be noun and what kind of dress it is? Dirty dress. So that's why dirty is again an adjective. Then the girl was always friendly and polite. Again girl is a noun and friendly is an adjective and polite is also an adjective. Okay, are you following? So again here the last sentence, her hair was untidy. So hair is a noun. Whose hair? Her hair. So her, again it will be an adjective and one more word untidy. Okay, untidy means not neat. So even untidy is an adjective. Untidy is an adjective. So now let us see once again here. Gates Avenue. Again it is a noun. It is the name of the street. Gates Avenue was a short street, but it seemed longer. It seemed longer. Again, it's an adjective because it was so ugly. Ugly is an adjective. And sometimes even we can take most and here all, and even sometimes articles the. Here again the we have these also will be considered and a as adjectives. Okay, so we can take them as adjectives. So again here their houses, and here you see families. One more noun. Families, it's a noun. Next one, years, noun, and many, adjective. So water, noun, running, adjective. Next one, students. We have see here students. There will be one more noun here, students. Now clothes. What kind of clothes? New clothes. So like that, girl again noun, one adjective, dress noun, dirty adjective. Again here, girl noun. Here see the girl. So we can take even the can be taken an adjective. So friendly, again it's an adjective, and polite, it's an adjective. So the last sentence, hair, it's a noun, or hair was untidy. So in this way, even we can identify in our textbooks and taking from any lesson one small passage, and by reading we can identify adjectives or nouns, and even verbs also we can identify. So like this we have to practice. Understood? So adjectives and nouns I have shown here, and even if you want to find out, you can even find out verbs. Okay, see, let us see here verbs. We have to take verbs. So here you see Gates Avenue was. Gates Avenue was. Was is a verb, but it seemed again here it's a verb. Longer because it was. Again here there will be one more verb, was. So ugly, most of the families who lived again here verb, they had verb, very little money. Now the houses were, again word is verb, not painted. Painted is again verb. Next one, they did not have running water. So did verb, and again have is verb. Next one, all the students wore. Wore is verb, and its other forms are wear, worn. Even we can find their other forms. But one girl wore. Again there will be one verb here. One more verb there. Her hair was. So here one more verb, and again here one more verb. The girl was. Was is the verb. Again here was is the verb. So even in this way we can identify each word parts of speech in the paragraph or in the sentence. So this is called practice. We have to practice. So the more we practice, the better we can understand. So practice and learn and be perfect in your subject. So in this way we have to do practice. So everyone practice daily and learn something, And thank you for watching this video. Keep on watching my videos. Thank you very much.